Fight back against stubborn dirt and grime with the SPX4501 13-amp electric pressure washer, the eco-friendly electric grime fighter from the best-selling pressure washer series by Sunjo. Tackle your toughest home, outdoor, and auto cleaning tasks with the high-performance 13-amp induction motor designed to last longer, run quieter, and work cooler than traditional universal motors. Blast up to 2,500 psi of pressure and up to 1.48 gallons per minute to quickly rinse away dirt and debris. Remove grease from concrete, heavy mildew stains, oil stains caked on mud, peeling paint, and other stubborn gunk and grime. Select from 5 onboard quick connect spray tips to tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. Or swap in the soap nozzle and dial in just the right amount of soap from the 1-gallon onboard detergent tank. Equipped with popular pro-grade features like the 20-foot steel-reinforced high-pressure hose, a heavy-duty metal roll cage, an onboard hose reel for neater storage, and 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, SPX4501 is built for power and performance. So go with Joe and your dirty jobs just got done. SPX4501 13-amp electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Get equipped.